Let me show you how to create this Instagram profile picture in Photoshop. First, create new project. Set its size 1080 by 1080. Set the resolution 72 and change its background to white. Then click on Create. Now go to Ellipse tool. Then click anywhere in the screen. Set its width and height 1080. Then click on Move tool and go to Select and choose All. Then make your ellipse at center. Go to Select and choose Deselect. Now hide your background and drag your image to Photoshop. Rescale it. Now go to Select and choose Object. Then zoom in by using Magnifying tool and choose Selection tool to make its selection perfect, and follow this process. Now click on Move tool and create a mask layer. Then right-click on your picture and convert it to Smart Object. Create a new group and name it Image. Then assign color to your folder. And insert your image to this folder. Press Ctrl and click on your ellipse. Then click on your image and click on Mask. Now, as you can see, our image is under the ellipse. Click on your ellipse and make a copy by press Alt and drag it to the bottom. Now click on the above ellipse and change its color to whatever you want. Then rescale it by press Ctrl T and align it to center. Now click on your picture and go to Adjustment option, then choose Level. Now follow the process. Now click on your picture and go to Layer Style, then choose Drop Shadow. Now follow this settings. Now click on the smaller ellipse and go to Layer Style, then choose Drop Shadow, and follow this settings. Then, to save our final output, go to File and choose Export, then choose Save for Web. Then change its present to PNG 24. Then click on Save. Yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.